We got a really cool 72 Chevy Nova, and let me tell you, it's got a real firecracker under the hood. This thing scoots along. It's got a 5-speed Tremec posi rear end, and the paint, you probably can't tell. It's a white pearl, and the pearl is like a little purple. You can just see light hints of purple highlight. Really cool in person. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can take your time, look at all the pictures top to bottom, read the information. That's where you find a price tag on every car we have for sale, along with the monthly finance payment as well. If you enjoy our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon, and you'll be notified when the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, so I think it's a 383 stroker. We'll get to that in a minute, but this thing is quick. It's spunky. Is the body. That's what we're going to do now, is check the body out. It's a metal cowl hood. Gentleman I got it from is a real good seller. We've known for decades. He's a collector. He's a body man by trade. So when he bought this car for himself, you can rest assured he looked it over and was happy with the body, or he wouldn't have bought it. So the fender is mint. It's all smooth and clean, all down here. Lines up beautifully. Door shuts real nice. No rust, no bubbles. Actually, the door fits beautifully flush. There's no rust down there. Sail panel, all real nice. The quarter panels. Body's looking dynamite. I don't see any issue with the body. It's all looking really good. No rust, no dents, no wave. A little bit of dirt splashed up. All nice and clean. The rockers are smooth and clean. All nice, clean, and straight. So yeah, again, you look at it and you just think it's white, and then the light hits it. Like I see a little purple highlight right in here. I'm catching a little purple right there. So there's a slight bit of purple in the pearl or clear coat. I'm not sure how they do that. And then see the moldings and the emblems down the side? That's all airbrushed on by a guy with a really good reputation for doing that. This is airbrushed on. He actually did a lot of the work on the Fast and Furious cars for the movies. But yeah, this molding down the side, that's painted on, airbrushed. Very cool. Up front, the bumper looks new. It's nice and shiny. All the trim, all this looks really nice. Windshield's crystal clear. Bow tie mirror looks new. Rain gutter trim looks very good. Probably a 7 or 8 out of 10. Sitting on some really nice Billet Specialty wheels, and they are 15-inch with some BF Goodrich tires. Yeah, it looks a little meatier in back. Back bumper's re-chromed, got a little more airbrushing going on. Tail lights look really nice. Back windows real nice and clear. A couple little scratches. All right, why don't we open it up, show you the inside. All right, let's look inside the trunk. It's got a nice satin black finish on the trunk and in the jamb. Weather strip is new. Inside is good solid metal. It's been spatter painted. Does have a jack and a spare. Got a trunk mat showing a little bit of wear. We also have a Buy It Now button on our website. If you see something you really like, click that before someone beats you to it and get it locked in for yourself. Door jambs are real decent. Weather strips look new. So the door panels and armrest and window cranks, that all looks really nice. So the instrument panel, it's all in good shape. It's not broken or beat up. It's good. You got a tachometer over there. Dash pad's in real nice shape. You got a set of gauges. This is the digital screen for the EFI that's on there. That lights up when you start it. Got the owner's manual in here. It's an Alpine stereo with kick panel speakers. Down on the floor, we got some embroidered mats, real nice carpet. It comes with specs and information like on the engine build and things like that. The shifter boot's all new. Bucket seats, they're upholstered real nice. They feel real good. Back seats in excellent shape. Seat belts are there, side panels, armrests, it's all real good. The rear deck has 6x9 Alpine speakers and a factory rear defogger. The sail panels and headliners in excellent shape. Visors are real nice. Mirror looks new. Dome light works. Steering wheel's in excellent shape. I almost think it might be a reproduction. It's so nice. Yeah, so very, very nice interior. Favorite part's that 5-speed Tremec sticking out of the hump. So yes, the motor is a 383 stroker, so that's a 350 that was bored and stroked. Has splayed 4-bolt mains, a forged crank, 6-inch wheeler rods, 10-to-1 trick flow pistons, roller lifters, etc., etc. It also has trick flow aluminum heads with a Victor Jr. Edelbrock intake, a new Holley Sniper fuel injection, complete MSD ignition system. I love these tall cast aluminum valve covers. Those are sharp looking. Has a set of coated headers. The engine bay is real decent looking. Has a chrome alternator, chrome cover over the aluminum radiator. You got a shroud, you got aluminum pulleys. No power steering. Does have polyurethane bushings throughout. Master cylinders upgraded. No power brakes. It's just a hot rod. It's easy to drive. This thing's a hot rod. And I think I said it had a metal cowl hood. This is fiberglass. It was actually really straight and fit nice. I thought it was metal.
Now it does have the Holley Sniper electronic fuel ignition system on it, so sometimes you might have to prime it a couple times if it's pulled out or it's a cold start. Listen to that 383 rumble. Now that sounds like a muscle car. All right, guys, let's take this Nova around the block, see how she does. Now, it does have manual steering, however, being lightweight, it's honestly very easy to use, so I don't think power steering is that honestly needed in this car. Now we went through it, they did a service order, they fixed, they checked the brake thickness, they checked the pads, stuff was tightened up and dialed in, steering's nice and tight, it drives straight. We did do a front end alignment on here. I believe the tie rod end was replaced, they found a bent one. Brakes are working nicely. Again, those are 4-wheel disc brakes. Let's see what the turn signals. Turn signal works. Let's see if it cancels. Cancels nicely. Goes through the gears. Again, this is a TKO 5-speed transmission that's brand new. There's a new clutch and flywheel in here as well. Over the bumps, nice and smooth. There's no shakes, no rattles. Look at the steering wheel, nice and straight. It's exactly what you want in a car that you want to cruise around. So this thing, no surprises here. The EFI screen works nicely for the Sniper kit. The oil pressure gauge is working, same with the water temp. It does look like the battery voltage is not working at this time. The speedometer works, the gas gauge, and the tachometer. This thing just wants to go. 500 horse. This is a fun car.
So the steering and suspension looks like it's been rebuilt. Like I just pointed out, polyurethane bushings up front. Great sounding Flowmaster dual exhaust system. Has disc brakes at all four wheels. Aerospace billet calipers in front. There's stock GM in the back. The parking brake is not hooked up. Fuel tank was replaced. It has the in-tank fuel pump for the fuel injection. Underneath the car is real solid. You look up at the motor, it still looks brand new. High torque starter. Has a heavy duty scatter shield. The Tremec 5-speed. The paperwork's in there. That was a new, that's not like out of a junked car or anything. That's a new setup. Center force clutch. 410 posi in the back. Richmond gears. So like I said, this thing's going to giddy up and go. It's going to be a fun car, shifting through those gears, hearing those pipes. So go to volocars.com. Oh yeah, it has frame connectors and traction bars. That just helps keep the car from twisting, keeps it in a straight line when you launch this puppy. Now go to volocars.com and talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions, like how to get it financed, how to get it delivered to your door. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon, and you'll be notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.